Topic name Test of Hypothesis. Test of Hypothesis. Test of hypothesis is a fundamental concept in statistics used to make inference or draw conclusions about a population based on sample data. Here's a clear breakdown of what it involves. What is hypothesis testing? Hypothesis testing it's a statistical method used to determine whether there is enough evidence in a sample of data to infer that a certain condition is true for the entire population. And here a given example of problem. A manufacturer claims that only 4% of his products are defective. A random sample of 500 were taken among which 100 were defective. Test of hypothesis at level of 0.05. Here the test of level point is 0.05 and manufacturer claims only 4% and random sample is only 500 were taken among which 100 were defective. So, to test the manufacturers claims that only 4% of the products are defective, we can perform a hypothesis test for a population proportion. Step 1. Define the hypothesis. Let P be the true proportion of defective products. Null hypothesis H0. P is equals to 0.04. Alternative hypothesis H1. P is not equals to 0.04 and it is belongs to the two-tailed test. Step 2. Sample statistics. Sample size n is equals to 500. Number of defectives in sample x is equals to 100 and sample proportion b is equals to 100 by 500 0.20. Step 3. Test statistics and here we use the z test for proportion. Z is equals to p cap minus p naught by root of p naught by into 1 minus p naught by n. Here where p cap is equals to 0.20 and it observes proportion. P naught is equals to 0.04 and it climbed proportion and here n value is 500. Z is equals to 0.20 minus 0.04 by root 4 root of 0.04 minus 0.96 by 500 is equals to here 0.20 minus 0.04 is equals to 0.16 by root of 0.04 minus 0.96 and the answer 0.038 by 84 by 500 and 0.16 by root of 0.00000768 and it removes the root so it converts into 0.16 by 0.0876 equals to and the last answer final answer 18.26. Step 4. Critical value and decision. At alpha is equals to 0.05, the critical z values for a two-tailed test are approximately plus or minus 1.96 and it calculated z is equals to 18.26 is much greater than 19.1.96. Step 5 conclusion. Since the test statistics is for outside the critical region, we reject the null hypothesis. Thank you, sir.